Hello and welcome. I'm Pierre Mario Fitter. Let's begin with the breaking story coming in from Delhi, where sources are telling us that LK Advani has not attended the BJP's latest Central Election Committee meeting. They add that he may continue to stay away until he is formally announced as the party's candidate from Bhopal. We'll be joined momentarily by Aditya Anantanarayanan, but this controversy, of course, continues within the BJP, with LK Advani having earlier announced that he would not be contesting from the Gandhinagar seat, but instead be going to Bhopal, where he believes, where party leaders have told him he may expect more support from the BJP's workers. Anantanarayanan now joins us live. Aditi, more speculation, more drama ahead of this awaited announcement.
Absolutely, Pierre. In fact, the parliamentary board itself took a lot of time to conclude, and after that the CEC is already underway, but LK Advani has still not reached the BJP headquarters in the national capital. In fact, what we're getting to know from the sources from LK Advani's office is that he's decided that till the time there is no decision that has been taken on his seat for the Lok Sabha post, till that time LK Advani has refused to come to the BJP office to attend the CEC meet. That is the latest that we are getting from here, Pierre. In fact, we're also getting to know, as in the parliamentary board, Narendra Modi was of the opinion that LK Advani should contest from Gandhinagar. However, LK Advani, the veteran leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, still adamant on the fact that he wants to contest from Bhopal and not Gandhinagar.
What could be behind this possible move for Advani to Bhopal? One reason is that the Advani camp fears that Narendra Modi's campaign team might work against his own campaign from Gandhinagar. Another is that Advani may be counting on the support of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan after the elections as an ally. A third theory is that this may well be an attempt to embarrass Narendra Modi. Remember, LK Advani had been passed over as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate for the 2014 elections. Now, let me go back to Aditya Anantanarayanan, who's live with us from outside the BJP headquarters. Aditi, what happens here now? Because on the one hand, there's no doubt that LK Advani has embarrassed the party. He's certainly taken a shot at Narendra Modi for wanting to contest from Madhya Pradesh instead. How do you patch over this relationship? Because this is not the first time the two have butted heads.
Absolutely, Pierre, as you rightly said, this is not the first time when LK Advani has created some hurdles for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and clearly it's a last-minute change on behalf of LK Advani, and it is kind of an embarrassing situation for the Bharatiya Janata Party altogether. In fact, yesterday when the Gujarat unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party met party leaders such as Rajnath Singh, they had kept an option that since LK Advani isn't very keen on contesting from Gandhinagar, another name should be sent out by the Gujarat unit. However, the state unit is adamant that LK Advani should be contesting from Gandhinagar. So clearly, since morning we had been seeing a lot of activities around the BJP office. In fact, what we're getting to know is a lot of people made calls to LK Advani. All the BJP top brass, the party high command, was trying to convince LK Advani, trying to convince him that Gandhinagar, the seat from which he has been the 4-time sitting MP, it will be a safe seat. It will not hinder his possibility of winning from Gandhinagar. But clearly, LK Advani at this point of time, Pierre, is adamant that he wants to move out of Gujarat. He wants to contest from Bhopal. In fact, he's already spoken to Shivraj Singh Chauhan as well, and he as well has welcomed LK Advani's candidature from Bhopal. So clearly, it is a clash of egos at this point of time within the Bharatiya Janata Party. Again, the two stalwarts of BJP, on one side Narendra Modi,
right.
On the other side LK Advani, are face to face again.
Aditi, many thanks for getting us those updates there.